Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can use cursor in PL SQL code. So in this video I am using cursor with the simple loop. We can use cursor in a for loop also. So in another video we can discuss about how you can use a cursor in for loop. So in this video I am going to only use a simple loop for displaying all the record of a table. So guys, starting the video. So I am writing all the code in my VS Studio Code. So I am going to show you my table. So here I have one table, that's name is EMP. So this is the record of my EMP table. So I am showing all the record of this EMP table using cursor in simple loop. I have already discussed about the simple loop in PL SQL, how you can use and implement in PL SQL. So first I am creating one file, that's name is tut6.sql. So I am going to set server output on. So here we have declare section, begin and last end section. The syntax of cursor is cursor name is, and here we can writing a select state. So this is the our syntax of cursor. So I am creating one cursor name will e-record. So I am giving its name is erect is select star from EMP. So guys, here I have created one cursor, that's name is erect, and retrieving and taking all the record from the EMP table into its star and transfer, and we can transfer this data into some variable that I am going to declare here. The variable name will be erect. So here it will be storing all the record of a erect EMP table. Its data type will be employee table type, percentage row type. In simple loop you have to follow some rule of cursor, but in for loop you can directly take all the data into erect. So here when we can use simple loop for a cursor, then we have to follow this step, that is open cursor, fetch record from the cursor and close the cursor. So here we have three steps: open, fetch and close. So I am going to discuss about all these steps one by one. So here we need to open this cursor erect. So here we have opened this cursor. Then we need to fetch the record from the cursor one by one. So we have to use loop. So loop is key. Loop syntax is loop and end loop. So here I am going to fetching the data from the cursor erect and storing it into. So I am fetching a data from the cursor and storing all the data into erect. Okay. So we need to exit from this loop. So we have some condition for that. If we have not any exit statement, so this loop will be never end, it going to be infinite. So here we have syntax that is exit when erect percentage not found. So it will be doing that there will no record in a erect cursor. So it will be exit from here. So we can displaying all the detail dbms. So here we have displayed all the column in dbms output dot put line. So the data will be printed here, and I am going to close the cursor, plus erect. So this is the code for fetching a data from the cursor. So I am going to run this code. So guys, you can see that all the record will be displayed at here. You can also do a formatting with this data. Then data will be displaying properly. So you can put L pad, R pad. I am going to give you example how you can use that. So here we have giving length of this EMP. I know only this for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then click on like button. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And if you have any suggestion and doubt, you can also comment in a comment section. Thanks for watching my video. I will meet you in next video.